Bolt.
This is Haley
Getting a worm.
putting in a worm.
Bolt.
Come on, Bolt.
Bolt.
There is the worm. Right there. Okay. Come on, Bolt.
Yeah.
Worm.
Let's go, Bolt. Let's go. I don't know. Why isn't he moving?
Okay, let's take some different angles. Okay, here we have Bolt. There is the worm right in the corner. Right there. Yeah.
Boop, 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 boop.
Okay.
Get it, buddy, get it.
Right
it.
there.
God.
Now,
Should I
let's
move him?
wait for Bolt to get it. Okay. Let's
Here,
take it from different angles.
Here, I'm going to move him in the worm, okay?
Okay. There he is. Okay. Now, there is Bolt. There is the worm. Now let's film it.
No.
You can
He
see.
sees it. He sees it.
Come on, Bolt.
Oh, my God.
Why aren't you eating the worm?
Can we move him?
Don't know yet.
Shh. It's hot in here.
Yeah, because this lamp's on. Maybe so.
Has to be on 12 hours a day.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Can I move him?
Let's go to this corner because I can't see him in here, so I have to go from here.
Yeah, we know.
Okay. I need to go over here to film him.
Right.
Okay. Let's do
Can I film some?
because I get to anything. Come on, Bolt. There's the worm.
Oh, come on.
Mommy's there. Come on, Bolt. Believe. No, there you go. Believe.
Believe in the magic that comes of ew. How many did you just throw in there?
Holy. 2. Oh, 3.
No, one's a shell. There's some back there. I know.
Those are just...
They're like dead.
Okay, 2 in there. Come
Yeah.
on, Bolt. Don't make us put in more.
1, 2. 1,
Shell over there.
2.
There's a shell right there. Okay, there is a worm. There's a worm. There's Bolt.
Bolt,
Over there we have dead worms. There's the
Here, do you want me to move
believe.
one? No, it's okay. I just have to wait till he sees it.
Believe. There is Bolt. Point to him. There is the wormy.
Bolt,
There's
we
another
need a
worm.
happy
There's a
ending.
shell.
Bolt,
Come on,
worms, Haley's arm.
Come on, Bolt.
Yay! He's sucking it down.
Come
Chew,
on,
baby,
Bolt.
chew.
Inhale it. Inhale it.
Now we have to watch him lick his lips.
Okay, here's close up. Where is he? I cannot find him. Where is he?
You have to move that way more.
Hello there, Bolt.
He doesn't like it when he's under pressure. Okay. Okay, now what are we going to do? Because we have to leave soon.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, this was Bolt eating a worm.